Butterflies, including moths, belong to a particular group of insect under the order Lepidoptera, and these insects represent an outstanding pollinator essential for maintaining the ecological services of our planet. Butterflies conjure up images of sunshine, the warmth and color of flowery meadows, and summer gardens teeming with life. Sadly, four species have become extinct during the last 150 years. Three quarters of British butterflies are also showing signs of alarming decline, and this is not the case of Great Britain. It is the picture that is depicted across the world. Apocalypse has been indicating towards significant loss of important butterfly species across the planet. Habitats have been destroyed on a massive scale, and new patterns of climate and weather are shifting unpredictably in response to pollution of atmosphere, and the disappearance of these beautiful insects is more serious than just a loss of color on the countryside. There are many reasons why butterflies and moths are important, both in their own right, but also as quality of life indicators. These include very important factors that need to be considered as guidelines for the conservation of butterflies and moths. Butterflies and moths are intrinsically valuable and are worthy of conservation in their own right. Both butterflies and moths are a part of life on Earth and an important component of its rich biodiversity. They have been around for at least 50 million years and probably first evolved some 150 million years ago. Butterflies and moths are a highly diverse group comprising over 250,000 species, making up around quarter of all named species. Butterflies are flagship species for conservation in general and in particular for invertebrates. Both butterflies and moths are a part of our natural heritage and have been studied for over 300 years. Butterflies and moths are beautiful, and many of them are iconic and popular and extremely valued by people in the form of our arts, literature, and in paintings. There are many references to butterflies and moths in literature, from the Bible through Shakespeare to modern day literature, and from poetry to musical lyrics. Butterflies are used by advertisers and illustrators around the world as a way of indicating that something is environment friendly. They are often portrayed as the essence of nature or as representing freedom, beauty, or peace. Both have fascinating life cycles that are used in many countries to teach children about the natural world. The transformation from egg to caterpillar to chrysalis is one of the wonders of the nature. Other educational aspects include intricate wing patterns in iridescence, and an example of outstanding insect migration. Butterflies, but moths to a lesser extent, are extremely important group of model organisms used for centuries to investigate many areas of biological research, including diverse fields such as navigation, pest control, embryology, mimicry, evolution, genetics, population dynamics, and biodiversity conservation. The long history and popularity of butterfly study have provided a unique data source or an insect group attached in geographical scale and time scale anywhere in the world. Butterflies and moths are indicators of healthy environment and healthy ecosystem. They indicate wide range of other invertebrates which comprise around two-thirds of all species. Areas rich in butterflies and moths are also rich in other invertebrates. They collectively provide a wide range of environmental benefits including pollination and natural pest control. They are important element of the food chain and prey for bird, bats, and other insectivorous animals. Butterflies and moths support a range of other predators and parasites, many of which are specific to individual species. Butterflies have been widely used for ecologists as model organisms to study impact of habitat loss, fragmentation, and climate change. People enjoy selling butterflies both around their homes and countryside. Oh, several sites has been established now as butterfly garden for an effort to portray the conservation of butterflies in their natural habitats. Thousands of people travel around each year looking for butterflies and moths. Eco tours are being valuable income to many European countries and developing countries around the world. Every butterfly and moth has developed its own suite of chemicals to deter predators and parasites, to find a mate, and to overcome chemical defense of its host plant. each of these chemicals has a potential value and could be exploited economically. It is important that these species which take part in pollination along with bees are an important primary pollinators that deserve conservation and our support for survival on this planet. Unless we take valuable effort in protecting them, we are verge of losing many important species. Shoykot Kumar Basu, Bureau Report, Kalinga Chronicle TV.